Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start activity 7, verification of Euler's formula. Objective of this activity is to verify Euler's formula for polyhedrons. That is, f plus v minus e is equal to 2, where f is number of faces, v is number of vertices and e is number of edges. Materials required for this activity are drawing sheet, color papers, pencil, cutter, sellotape, ruler. Prerequisite knowledge: making of polyhedron with their nets, number of faces, vertices and edges of a polyhedron. Procedure: first, take a cuboid. By using color papers, make a cuboid and open it at its edges to get its net. So here this is the net of a cuboid. So number of faces of a cuboid is 6, number of vertices is 8, number of edges is 12. Then cube. Use color papers and make a cube and open it at its edges to get its net. So this is the net of a cube. Here number of faces is 6, number of vertices is 8 and number of edges is 12. Triangular prism. By using color papers, a triangular prism is made and opened it at its edges to get its nets. So this figure shows the nets of a triangular prism. So a triangular prism has number of faces is 5, number of vertices is 6 and number of edges is 9. Then pentagonal prism. Use color papers, make a triangular prism and open it at its edges to find its net. So this figure shows the net of a pentagonal prism. So here number of faces is 7, number of vertices is 10, number of edges is 15. The square prism is a cuboid. Hexagonal prism. By using color papers, make a hexagonal prism and open it at its edges to get the net. So here this figure shows the net of a hexagonal prism. So number of faces of a hexagonal prism is 8, number of vertices is 12, and number of edges is 18. Then triangular pyramid. By using color papers, make a triangular pyramid and open it at its edges to have its net. So a triangular pyramid have number of faces 4, number of vertices 4, number of edges is 6. Then square pyramid. Use color papers, make a square pyramid and open it at its edges to find the net of it. So this figure shows the net of a square pyramid. A square pyramid have number of faces 5, number of vertices 5 and number of edges is 8. Then pentagonal pyramid. By using color papers, make a pentagonal pyramid and open it at its edges. So this is the net of a pentagonal pyramid. So here number of faces is 6, number of vertices is 6 and number of edges is 10. Hexagonal pyramid. So by using color papers, make a hexagonal pyramid and open it at its edges to find the net. So this is the net of a hexagonal pyramid. So number of faces is 7, number of vertices is 7 and number of edges is 12. Observations. So this is the table where number of faces, number of vertices, number of edges of all the polyhedrons we have discussed are noted. So in the last column, it is verified that for each polyhedron, A plus B minus E is equal to 2. So result, it is verified that Euler's formula, that is A plus B minus E is equal to 2, where F is the number of faces, B is the number of vertices, E is the number of edges, satisfied for any polyhedron. Thank you.